Hi, I'm Jason. I'm the Christmas shop buyer for John Lewis. I'm going to talk you through the Christmas decorating themes for 2022. Wreaths and garlands are really popular this year, with the trend of porchscaping and curb appeal being really high on the agenda for customers. This autumn wreath we're seeing already being our best seller, with the idea of autumn scaping and autumn decorating being really popular. A trend that we're seeing coming through this year is popularity in baubles. We've got a great selection of baubles at John Lewis, and the quirky ones are the ones that we're seeing sell really well this year. So whether that's the ketchup bauble or my favourite, the kiwi frog ice cream, that's bringing loads of smiles to customers' faces. So gonks are a trend we've seen really rising over the last couple of years. So for 2022 we've got more than ever. They're within all our themes. My favourite are the red gonks, which sit in Jolly General Store and are a real favourite with customers. John Lewis have got a great selection of trees this year and some really fun alternative trees. So whether that's the twig trees that we sell that are perfect for a contemporary minimalist take on Christmas, or if you want to go all out with the gold tree, which is just behind me, which looks really fun, fully decorated, and with the lights on it, it really shines to give that gold glamorous look. The Winter Fair is inspired by a walk through traditional market stalls and the fairgrounds at Christmas time. The colour palette is wintry white, so a blanket of snow, but this year we've got highlights of champagnes and golds to give it a warmer touch at Christmas. So community garden is a theme inspired by the idea of the allotment at Christmas and coming together and all those fruits and vegetables that you're growing in the garden. So lots of berry tones, copper, autumnal feel, and lots of fruits and vegetables within this theme. We've also got the Sugar Plum Cafe, which is inspired by the idea of family and friends coming to a local cafe at Christmas time. This theme is perfect for the foodie customer, so we've got avocado on toast in this theme, we've got whisks, baubles, all sorts going on this tree to make it really fun and eclectic. One of my favourite themes is Santa's Rainbow Workshop. So this is a rainbow theme full of colour, and we could have real fun with this theme as anything goes. It's all about those toys and different things you find in Santa's workshop. Nightlife is our most grown-up theme, so this is inspired by the going out and getting ready for a night out on the town. So we've got references to the bar, we've got references to musical instruments and everything that's involved in going out on the town. Final theme is Jolly General Store, which is a nice traditional red theme with a Scandinavian feel. We've also got that traditional spin with a gonk that's running this theme to give it a nice Christmassy feel.